Have you always wanted to know how they make those fashion reels or YouTube shorts? How they snap their fingers and are magically in a different outfit? Well, today I'm going to show you how and what free video editor you can use to do it. Hi guys, it's Jenny. I like to use CapCut. It's free on Apple iStore and Google Play. I personally like to use it because I can use it on my iPad and take it with me. Okay, let's get started. So the original plan, I was going to do the voiceover, but since my husband does all the editing, he's teaching me how to do this, so he's acting like me.
Okay, here's a tutorial on how to get me to jump in my shoes. I have the full-length video here. It's about a minute long. So this is just a simple cut. So I want to show my shoes, and I can cut it here. You just hit the edit button and you split, the split button. And then I want to cut stuff out in between, but I want to act like I'm jumping into the shoes. So I do this a couple times. So I think this is the best one. Right here. So I want this motion right here. So I'm going to cut it. So I want the beginning. So I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to delete this portion here with this delete button. And then as I'm coming down, that's where my other video is going to be. So I want to cut it probably about here. And I'm going to split again. So that's the portion that I'm going to keep. Now I got to cut the stuff in between. I got to find myself actually in the shoes. My husband directs me to where to stand. You want to stand kind of in the same spot so it actually looks fairly clean. I jump a couple times just to kind of test try it. I think I'm going to do it again. Yeah, I'm going to do it again. So jump, jump, practice, practice, model, model, model. So I think this is my last jump is right here. All right, this is where I want to, kind of where I'm coming down into it. So let's split it right there. And then again, we're going to delete this portion here because we don't need it. And again, these are simple cuts. I'm not really doing any transitions. All right, so let's see how that actually looks. Boom. Pretty good. I mean, you can clean it up a little bit. I'm kind of talking to my husband here. So I can cut that first portion out, delete that. Let's watch that again. Boom, in my shoes, just like that. So that's a nice tutorial on CapCut. CapCut does have a little promotion thing at the end, which you can delete here, but just for CapCut's sake, I'll just leave it in for you guys. That's it.
Hey guys, I'm back. So hope you guys enjoyed this joint video. Follow me on this channel and on Instagram. Please like and subscribe, and happy sale shopping.